Right, mate. Right, lads. Just have a word, please. You right, brother? Can I just have a word? 1 minute. Talk. Just want to talk. Just want a word. Just a little talk. 1 minute. Yeah, at 12 o'clock is illegal migrants coming here. 12 o'clock. Why were the staff taken out this morning? Hello, brother. Can I have a talk, please? Just a 1 minute talk. Pardon? What happened to the staff this morning? The staff, they told to go home. The staff members. Nah? They're all playing silent, pretending they don't know what's going on. Look at them. Pretending they don't know what's going on. Here in East London, Canary Wharf, Isle of Dogs, E14, the Britannia Hotel.